Just throw the lead in the car. Just throw it in the car for me. Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, oh, Jesus Christ. Nope, no, step back out for me, okay? Step back out for me, okay? Oh, thank you for the gift, okay? Step back out for me, okay?
On February 8, 2024, deputies responded to a crash caused by a woman who was later found to be impaired, not by typical alcohol, but by drinking bottles of vanilla extract.
I'm asking you to exit the vehicle for me, please, okay? So that involves turning your legs all the way outside of the car and then stepping using your 2 feet out of the vehicle, okay? Just throw the lead in the car. Just throw it in the car for me. Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's a first. Yeah, no, I've never seen this before. Which car is she in?
The red Elantra right there.
Okay. So she was continually ramming it?
Yeah, like I said, she was still in drive when I got here. I had to tell her to put it in park, and then I went to check on the other guy, and she had put it back in drive. And wasn't trying to get away, but just, like I said, it was kind of on autopilot.
Okay.
I had to take the keys and everything, so.
Hello. How are you? Is everything okay?
You can tell right away something's really off here. The woman can barely respond and can't follow the simplest instructions. It's not your typical DUI stop.
So what happened? What happened? I can't hear you. You gotta speak up for me, okay? What was that? You don't know? You don't know what happened? Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? Do you have your registration and insurance at all? You do? Can you grab it for me? Hey brother, how are you? My name's Deputy Price with the Sheriff's Office. What happened, man? Is your neck hurting?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to move your head for me, okay? Would you mind just telling me what happened exactly?
So red light, I was almost at a complete stop.
Okay.
There was one car in front of me, and then it just boom.
She just crashed it right into you?
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Do you happen to have your registration on you? If you can't reach it, I'll go over to the side and grab it. Is the address on your... it's okay if you can't grab it, man. I understand with the neck. I'm not going to try and...
If you need it, I got his license right here.
Do you still live...
Yes, sir.
Awesome, brother.
Sir, what's your phone number?
What's a good phone number?
Even the victim is confused. The officer tries to get details, but all signs point to the driver being seriously impaired by something unusual.
So what does he want with his car?
What would you like to have happen with your car? Would you like us to call a tow for it? Or do you want us to move it over to the Wawa?
If you want us to call for a tow, the tow will work with your insurance company. Whoever we call, we can give you that information as well. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
Okay. Slight odor of alcoholic beverages emanating from her person, not much from her breath, because she is not speaking. She's got slow and sluggish body movements.
Now the officers are starting to realize this isn't an ordinary case. The woman's body language, speech, and glassy eyes are huge red flags.
Miss Mc... Can you step out of the car for me? Can you step out of the car for me? Miss, can you step out of the car for me, please? Can you exit the vehicle? Hiccuping. Miss, can you exit the vehicle for me? Miss, are you understanding what I'm asking you? You do? Okay, you don't understand what I'm asking you? I'm asking you to exit the vehicle for me, please, okay? So that involves turning your legs all the way outside of the car and then stepping using your 2 feet out of the vehicle, okay? Do you mind performing that task I've asked of you, please?
Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my car up here real quick.
If you need to move my Crown Vic.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you, brother. Okay. Do you mind hopping out of the vehicle for me? Exit the vehicle for me, please. Exit the vehicle for me. Miss, step out of the car. Can you please exit the vehicle for me? Nope, don't go back in. Don't go back in. Miss, exit the vehicle. Get out of the car.
407. India Alpha November Sierra 80 IAN at 80.
Okay?
This is the moment everything changes. No matter how many times they ask, the woman just can't exit the car or process what's happening around her.
Okay. My name is Deputy Price, Sheriff's Office. I want to... Nope, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? It's a relatively flat and level roadway, okay? So at this moment in time, I am going to inform you of something, okay? So I am changing hats. Oh, no, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? I wanted to inform you that I am changing hats, okay? From a civil traffic crash investigation into a criminal DUI investigation, okay? Subsequent to that, I'm going to inform you of something, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights? You do? Do you wear glasses at all? You mind taking a look at me? Do you wear glasses at all? You do wear glasses? Are you wearing contacts? Do you mind taking a look at me? Are you wearing glasses? Are you wearing contacts right now? You are? Okay. Are they soft or are they hard? Do you have diabetes? No? You can shake your head up and down for yes and side to side for no, okay? Are you diabetic? No? Are you epileptic? Do you have epilepsy? No? Your contacts that you have in, are they hard or soft? Are they hard or soft? Hard? How long have they been in for? How long have your contacts that you have on right now been in for?
73112, 1060 months.
How long have they been in for? What time do you think it is right now? How much alcohol have you consumed today? You mind taking a look at me? How much alcohol have you consumed today?
You can hear the frustration and a little concern in the deputy's voice. When a driver can't even answer basic questions, it's a dangerous situation for everyone on the road.
Just throw it in the car for me. Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Oh, Jesus Christ. Nope, no, step back out for me, okay? Step back out for me, okay? Oh, thank you for the gift, okay? Step back out for me, okay? Okay, we're gonna come over here, okay? I can't have you holding on to anything, okay? So I'm gonna have you come over here to me, okay? Come over here to me, okay? All right, just stop right there, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to put your feet together for me, all the way. Feet together all the way for me, okay? Like this, like how I've got my feet, okay? All right, that's not all the way together, but that's good enough. I want you to take your arms and I want you to put them down by your side for me, okay? All right, go ahead and put your arms down by your side for me, okay? Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Yes? Nope, don't move, okay? Put your feet back together for me, okay? Put your arms all the way down by your side. Don't move from this position all the way down by your side. Don't move from this position until all the way down by your side. Arms down by your side. Don't move. Nope. Down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Nope. Feet back together. See how I'm like this? Feet together. Arms down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? I need a verbal yes or no. Yes? Okay. What color is this? No, what color is the tip of my pen here? This is black? This color right here that I'm pointing to is black? It's blue? Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head. Do you understand? Go ahead and put your arms back down to your side for me, okay? So once again, I'm going to have you follow the tip of your pen with my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand? Do you understand? You're going to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You're not going to move your head, okay? Keep your arms down by your side for me. Do you have any questions as it relates to the exercise? Do you understand all my instructions? Do you understand all my instructions? You don't understand my instructions? No, you don't understand my instructions? Or yes, you do understand my instructions? You do? Okay, go ahead and put your arms back down by your side for me, okay? I'm going to go and begin. Take a look at my pen for me, okay? Remember, follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Nope, keep your head still. Nope, keep your head still. Keep your head still. Arms down by your side. All right. She's too impaired in order to perform the exercise. Miss, do you mind just going and put your hands behind your back for me? So, you are under arrest for DUI with serious bodily injury, okay?
She's too impaired to stand, and it's clear something else is going on. The arrest isn't dramatic, but the worry in the officer's tone is real.
Oh, that might be like... That might not be alcohol. Vanilla extract?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
What?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Plus the bottles that are here on the floor, too. So 21 bottles of vanilla extract.
What the hell? Oh, here's...
I just...
Extracts. Walmart, 5511 Deep Lake Road. 9/22/22. Okay. I mean, FD said her sugar was fine, so
Yeah,
that's a first.
Yeah, no, I've never seen this before. I'm literally going to Google what happens if you drink a bunch of vanilla extract.
Yeah.
And here's the twist. 21 bottles of vanilla extract, all empty. Even the officers are stunned. It's a shocking reminder of how addiction and substance abuse can take unexpected forms.